Hi there, it's Isilia here from Tax World. Today I'd like to talk to you about Section 122A of the Taxes Consolidation Act 1997. Section 122A deals with a situation where an employee gets shares at a price lower than their market value. This is considered as receiving an interest-free loan, known as a notional loan. This notional loan is treated like a preferential loan, Section 122. Shares are considered received at a lower value if they are obtained for free or bought for less than their market value. It doesn't matter if the employee has to make any future payments for these shares. The initial amount of the notional loan is equal to the difference between the market value and the price paid for the shares. The loan continues to exist until it ends under certain conditions. The loan ends if payments are made towards the shares which clear the loan. It ends if the employee is freed from having to pay for the shares. The loan ends if the employee sells the shares. If the employee dies, the loan ends. If the loan ends because the employee is released from paying for the shares, or because the employee sells the shares, the remaining loan balance is considered as cancelled and the employee will be taxed on that amount. If an employee sells shares for a price higher than their market value and doesn't keep any interest in them, the extra amount is taxed as income. The employee will be taxed on the cancelled amount even if they no longer work at the job that gave them the shares. If the shares are sold after the employee's death, there is no tax charge. These rules also apply when an employee sells an interest in shares rather than the whole shares. This might include future interests or life interests, but not share options. In such cases, the employee is considered to have acquired the shares when they acquired the interest. The market value of the interest in the shares is proportional to the market value of the shares. Payment can include money or anything equivalent to money. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.